Pack of 2 Clairol Nice and Easy Root Touch-Up Kits that matches leading shades of medium brown, including salon colors. The precision brush makes application easy and fast, concealing roots or gray hairs in minutes, with coverage that lasts up to 3 weeks. It's only human to want perfect hair. You're one step closer with our permanent color that mixes in seamlessly no matter what leading shade you use. Touch up your roots and conceal gray in minutes with the included precision brush tool for easy application. The magic of Nice and Easy hair products is in helping you balance a desire for hair color that is perfect, easy and looks natural. Our products won't leave revealing or fake tones, just 100% gray coverage that leaves you looking naturally beautiful. Nice and Easy carries superior hair color products from permanent hair color kits and tools, highlights and root touch-ups that mix with colors applied by your salon colorist, gray hair concealer, to hair gloss to keep your hair looking natural and radiant. Our Nice and Easy line of hair color products make superior, natural-looking color. Our hair coloring products provide beautifully color so natural-looking even sunlight won't reveal your secret. Touch up your roots, try a new hair color, or add highlights. Root Touch-Up by Nice and Easy blends with leading shades, even salon shades in just 10 minutes. The ergonomically engineered brush delivers salon-quality application. No roots, no grays, no trip to the salon. Top reviews from the United States. Nice product. This product is easy to use and not too messy, perfect for a quick coloring. Should not have any trouble matching your shade. Thank you.